almost start to the trading week. I hope you had a fabulous weekend. It's Danielle Hayashi here with Hayashi Trades. So I just want to talk about my watch list for the upcoming week. So number one, I'm interested kind of as a longer term swing trade in JCPNQ. Ticker symbol is right here. This is JCPenney. Now JCPenney used to, let me see if I can get a longer time frame here. Let's go to the 3-year week. Before the pandemic started, it was a $4 stock. So there's a lot of upside potential. I think if you see here, it had a resistance at 80 cents. But right now it's trading in the 20-cent range. So when it went through its bankruptcy, it went to the penny stock market. It's a pink sheet penny stock now. But it used to be worth a lot more. So I'm going to go back to the daily time frame. They got some bullish news. This company called Authentic Brands, alongside Simon Property Group and Brookfield Property Partners, they want to basically bail out JCPenney, and they would like to have this deal and use JCPenney's real estate space to also house some of their other brands like Forever 21. You remember all those stores are closed. 9 West and Jones, New York. Their goal is to have this all up and running by the holiday season. So if that actually happens and the deal is finalized and it goes through, I think that's a huge bullish catalyst. So I'm interested in watching it in the months to come, and the end of the year and the holiday season is upon us. Very, very close. So I'm swinging a small position in that. Okay, number 2, Nikola. That is ticker symbol NKLA. They had a huge bearish catalyst last week because, we'll go to the 5-day, 5-minute. Hindenburg Research released a huge report basically saying that a lot of the practices of the company and the CEO are totally fraudulent. They said that this video that was released of the truck, which is like the company's like major foundational product, was totally fake. It was just like a tow truck that was towing the truck, and it wasn't really actually driving. And that's been a concern of a lot of people and investors, is that they have these concepts, these truck prototypes, but they're not actually being produced, and they do have a book of orders for them, but none of them have actually been produced. And as of now, it's just a shell of an idea. And so that's something that Hindenburg was trying to highlight in their report, that it's just a prototype. It's not necessarily real because there's no actual production and there's no evidence that it's going to become real or that these trucks are going to be produced. So, given that, of course, the CEO, Trevor Milton, had a response. He said that Hindenburg is just acting in their own vested interest because they're bears, they have a bearish position, and they just want to tip the price action of Nikola in their favor to benefit their short position, which Hindenburg, traditionally, they usually do take bearish positions as far as their opinions and as far as how they trade. So that's not entirely untrue either. So take that information and assess with it what you will. You always want to do your own research and make your own trading and investment decisions based on that. Okay, so number 3, I want to talk about FedEx. FedEx has their earnings report coming up on Tuesday after market close. Last time they beat quite well, so I would imagine, since not a whole lot has changed and their services are high demand during this time, I would imagine it to be the same. Given that, I would not hold an options position past Tuesday because you can get IV crushed. Like, I would imagine there's some upside potential going up into market close on Tuesday, knowing that they're probably going to have a great earnings report, but you don't want to lose the value of your option position. So I would day trade it or just swing some shares as a swing trade and sell for a profit the next day if you want to play the earnings report. Okay, Tesla. Tesla, since their stock split, they haven't really gotten the same hype that there was before, that we are kind of that we recognize Tesla for. But on September 22nd, they're having their battery day. And the rumors are that they're going to unveil the million-mile battery. Now, if that happens, I personally believe it's a huge bullish catalyst. It'll attract a lot of long-term investor attention, and then short-term as well. Like, people are going to be buying Tesla because there's never been anything like this. A million-mile battery, an electric vehicle, that's amazing. Super innovative, super big deal. So I think if the rumors are true, then that's going to give Tesla the next catalyst it needs to start climbing again. So my eyes are on Tesla, but I wouldn't really get into it or enter a position until closer to battery day. Right now, it's just kind of, let's have a look actually. It's just sort of doing whatever. It's not really showing me a whole lot. And on Friday, I wasn't even able to break the 400 level. It almost did that on Thursday, but it's kind of flat. Like, if you look, its range is really between, the 350s to the 380s, which is, like for scalps and short-term trades. Yes, like there are opportunities there, but that's not what I like to trade Tesla for. I have my own style of trading with Tesla, so that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, and then last but not least, Oracle. That's ticker symbol ORCL. Market news over the weekend has said that they were the winners in the Oracle deal. Originally, there were talks between Walmart, Microsoft, and Oracle. And apparently Oracle has the winning bid. So we will see what happens. Of course, that's a bullish catalyst. But I want to see what the market thinks of it tomorrow. I'm not necessarily going to jump in or anything. But of course, that's bullish news because everyone was wondering for the longest time, who's going to get the TikTok deal? Is it Walmart? Is it Microsoft? Or is it Oracle? And the answer is Oracle, apparently. So let's see how Oracle does tomorrow. Anyway, that's my watch list into the upcoming week. I hope you have a fabulous week and happy trading. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.